Reasons why some people will never be rich. Over the past couple of years, I have begun to realize that most people's understanding of wealth is wrong. We often assume that in order to get rich, it is important to make more, so we can spend more. A promotion at the office means a raise in a new car, or like investment means a wardrobe change. If you need a mansion and expensive material possessions to be considered rich, chances are, my advice will not be what you are looking for. But if you are looking to establish a foundation for maximum earnings and saving in the future, keep listening. Some people, because of their culture, upbringing or religious beliefs, think that they will never be rich. They believe that being rich is a privilege awarded to a select few of the lucky. They believe that, well, no one in the family is rich, so I will never be rich. Yet one thing they fail to realize is that most rich people were once poor and hardworking individuals. Most people want to be rich, but most of them are poor. Why? There must be some differences between rich people and poor people. If you study carefully, you will come to find out why rich people and successful people produce amazing results in their life, and why some people are living in poverty. To be rich and successful, you don't need to be lucky, extremely hardworking, or have a college degree. What you need is the right mindset, and right mindset will form the right habit. Have you ever wondered why some people are rich and others aren't? Have you ever wondered, will I ever be rich? Being rich means substantial amount of money, and therefore, you have a lot of options in life, like retiring early, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Actually, there is something wrong if you have poor money management and poor way of thinking regarding money. If so, you will never be rich. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification above for more updates. Thank you guys for watching.